Hello everyone, my name is Kishan C. Sindagi. I am from the Silicon Valley of India, known as Bengaluru. My project's name is Kodivample. I am studying in Narayana Techno School, Bengaluru, India. Kodivample, the luxury of life, luxurious space hotel. Kodivample's overview. Kodivample word refers to travel a purposeful manner towards a vague destination. With an outlook to the space settlement shall be located at the lower Earth orbit LEO. The LEO orbit is away 2000 kilometers away from the Earth. Codimumble structure. Codimumble has a different unique structure. Semicircle A. The transportation of combustible items are done from place to place. This is called docking port A. The place where people stay in the space hotel. This place is called residential Taurus. There are also hospitals in this Taurus. Taurus B. This is also the place hotel where people stay. This place is called one residential area. There are also hospitals in this Taurus. Taurus C. The place where people do business or industrial work. This place is called working area or office. Taurus D. The place where crops are cultivated and stored with some other items. The place this is called agriculture work and Taurus E. Recycling plant and laboratory. The place where people get entertainment. This place is called entertainment zone. Taurus semicircle B. This is also useful for transportation. It is called docking port B. Whipple shield. For protection reasons from MMOD, it has a fiber metal lamination of length 20 cm, height 1.5 meter, and width 90 meters approximately, by providing the shielding. In this method, materials required are lead, which is mushy and malleable, and which is highly effective against gamma rays and X-rays. Aluminium, which is more effective against the alpha radiation and beta radiation. Osmium is denser and is effective against galactonic or cosmic radiation. Ozone, which is more effective against UV radiation. Structure of codimopple. There is a diagram given for the structure. Dimensions of the major hub. There's another table given for this too. Human requirements. A person eats about 2 kgs of food per day. If a person lives 90 days in the space hotel, there are 7,000 people. We are going to calculate the sum. We would need around 12 lakh 60,000 kgs of food. Water. A person drinks about 3 to 2 liters of water per day. A person lives 90 days in the space hotel. If there are 20,000 people in the space hotel, then we are going to calculate apart from drinking water. Water is needed for agriculture, room requirements, food items, electrolysis, etc. The total water required will be 84 lakhs 92,300 liters. Moving on. Materials used for construction. There's another table given for the materials, which you can check it out. Thrusting and docking section. Upper thrusting section. The higher end of the central hub will house the upper thrusting segment. The radius of the middle thruster will be 13 meters, while the radius of the other two thrusters will be 9 meters. The colony will be pushed inward during the downward of these thrusters. Lower thrusting section. The central hub's lower end will house the lower thrusting segment. The central thruster will have a 13-meter radius, while the outside two thrusters will each have a 9-meter radius. The colony will be pushed in an upward direction using these thrusters. There are two docking sections, upper and lower docking sections. Lower docking sections. The lower docking sections will be used for transit population and cargo ships due to the proximity of tourist D half gram, as the transit population will be transported to half gram environment then to 1 gram environment. Also, people can travel from the external transportation present in a docking port. Due to the proximity to the Taurus D12G, the lower deck docking port will be utilized for the transit population and cargo ships. Transit population will be subjected to 12G environment first, then to 1G environment. People can also sing the external transit available at the docking. The upper docking section is also used for transportations, business purposes, research, and you can see if any asteroid is near to the settlement moving on. Artificial gravity. There's another table given for this. We're just gonna take this in brief. Artificial gravity. Cardiwample has 6 toruses in number. Each torus has its own gravitation. Torus A has 9.83 meter per second square. Torus B has 9.83 meter per second square as well. And for the torus C, D, and F, it has 9.4 meter per second square. RPM, rotation per minute. Torus A and B has 0.9814536226 per minute of radiation. Torus C, D, E, and F has 0.9827646957. Oxygen. The majority of oxygen is produced by electrolysis method. Carbon dioxide. The electrochemical sensors are used to detect the unwanted gases. If the gas concentration exceeds carbon dioxide by 50%, the alarm will be set off. Then the alarm will be generated. The carbon dioxide will be released from the lower earth. Temperature management. The thermal temperature management is a system used to maintain the extreme temperatures in the hotel. Moving on. There's a table for waste management. Waste management is done in the Terrace E. All the waste from the space hotel will be transported to the Taurus E through the electric dustbins that are present in the space hotel. The waste goes into it which the waste which goes into it, which can be recycled, will be transported to Earth by external transportation. Moving on. Operations and automation. The main control room and surveillance. The control room is constructed in the middle of the base, the space hotel. The control room is secured by all kind of security systems. Security. Quadrumple has many security facilities like motion sensors, fingerprint sensors, IRIS, and facial recognition, etc. Moving on. Operations and automations again. Robotic life support. The main work will be operated by the automated bot systems. The robots are trained according to their category after being constructed in the labs. There's a table telling what each robots do. Entertainment zone. There's another table provided for the gravitation and non-gravitational games. The pros, challenges, and challenge solutions. It's easy. It's easy for transportation in the Leo orbit. Distance is 3000 km. Challenges. There is no gravity in space. Challenge solution. So we're gonna make artificial gravity that the torus rotates, and we get gravitational force. Transportation. Quadrumple has both external and internal transportation. Two-seater transportation is also available, which costs them around $4,000 for 90 days. Four-seater transportation is available, which costs them $8,000 for 90 days. Electricity. Quadrumple requires about 467,893 kilowatts per day. With the help of CDQ cell solar panels, we are producing about 8513.043.683 kilowatts. The cost is $21 trillion, which is charging $1 million per person. Thank you.